Actress Sara Ali Khan has jetted off to Maldives to enjoy some quality time. The actress on Wednesday shared pictures of herself from her beach vacation. In the pictures, Sara is seen flaunting her hourglass figure in a tangerine bikini. She captioned the picture, "Your daily dose of vitamin C." She accessorized her bikini with knitted cape and seashell necklace. On the work front, Sara will next be seen in Atrangi Re. The film co-stars Akshay Kumar, Dhanush and Nimrat Kaur and is directed by Anand L. Rai. Atrangi Re is written by Himanshu Sharma and is built as a cross-cultural love story. Celebrity designer Manish Malhotra loves to have get-togethers with his closest friends in Bollywood. He recently hosted a party at his residence. Several celebs including Malaika Arora, Karisma Kapoor, Amrita Arora, Natasha Poonawalla, Gauri Khan, Seema Khan and Maheep Kapoor marked their presence at the party. All the celebs looked their stylish best in their respective outfits. Filmmaker Karan Johar stole attention in a newspaper-themed shirt and trousers. Fitness diva Malaika Arora looked ravishing in white kanji and denim. Natasha Poonawalla wore a short beige dress, while Karisma and Amrita Arora were seen twinning in black top and denims. Gauri Khan was spotted in an all-black outfit. Seema Khan opted for black shirt and blue denims, while Maheep Kapoor was spotted in jumpsuit. Manish also took to his Instagram handle to share pictures from his star-studded party. Singer Shreya Ghoshal took to Instagram on Thursday to share the news of her pregnancy with fans. The singer posted a picture of herself flaunting a baby bump. Dressed in blue and green ensemble, the mom-to-be poses with her bump in the picture and is visibly glowing. Baby Shreya Aditya is on its way. Sheila Aditya and me are thrilled to share this news with you all. Need all your love and blessings as we prepare ourselves for this new chapter in our lives, she posted. Congratulatory messages poured in from all sections of the film fraternity. Dancer Shakti Mohan posted, "Congratulations," while actress Sophie Chaudhary wrote, "This is so amazing, huge love and congrats to you, my darling." Singer Raghav Sachar posted, "Awesome news, Shreya. Heartiest congratulations." Singer-composer Vishal Dadlani wrote, "I'm so happy for you guys." The singer tied the knot with Shiladitya Mukhopadhyay in a low-key affair in 2015. India all-rounder Hardik Pandya's lady love Natasha Stankovic has turned a year older today. On this special occasion, Hardik took to his Instagram account to share a mushy note for the birthday girl. Hardik shared few lovely pictures of him with wife Natasha and son Agastya. The cricketer also thanked Natasha for giving him the best gift ever. He captioned the post, "Happy birthday my baby. It's your birthday but I feel you gave me the best gift ever as Agastya. I am blessed. Years and years together." Hardik and Natasha welcomed their first child Agastya on July 30, 2020. After getting engaged on January 1st, 2020, Hardik and Natasha got married during the COVID pandemic quarantine. Bollywood actress Sonakshi Sinha took to Instagram on Wednesday to announce her next project. The actress will be seen in Bulbul Tarang, which will have an OTT release. The actress posted a picture of herself where she is dressed in a blue salwar kameez. She captioned the picture saying, "Meet Bulbul, a girl out to make her dream come true. Thrilled to announce my next film, Bulbul Tarang, streaming soon on Netflix." The film has been directed by Shri Narayan Singh and is said to be inspired by a true story. The film also features Raj Babbar and Tahir Raj Bhasin. Meanwhile, Sonakshi, who is known for her role in the Dabangg series, Lutera, Akira and Mission Mangal, is gearing up her next release, Bhuj, the Pride of India. Besides Sonakshi, the film will also feature Ajay Devgan, Sanjay Dutt, Sharad Kelkar, Amy Virk, Pranita Subhash and Nora Fatehi. The story is set against the backdrop of Indo-Pak War of 1971.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.